It's done, guys. We are signed, locked, and loaded. We are done on the selling of our house.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
All the stuff gone, and it's in here, more here, nothing there, more here, some stuff in here, and more in there. We're enjoying the last bit of amenities in our community before we leave. So it's a beautiful day. Sun is out. It's like almost 5 o'clock. Kellan is enjoying the weather and the pool, just when he loves water. So yeah. Baby. Who he calls baby, I think he calls me baby, but I'm not. I think a little girl he's calling baby. Yeah, so we're gonna continue to enjoy the day.
On the dinosaur, look. Look at the dinosaur.
Wow. Go Gators. Yeah, he's doing it?
Yeah.
Go, buddy, go. Are you trying to come off? Yo, this kid is crazy. Go to this one.
Tractor.
This is very Claremont.
It's a quad, Baba. No, you can sit on that.
No, we're not doing tricks on stuff like that yet.
Baba, wait. Giddy up.
Giddy up.
He's like, no, I'm not feeling this. Ready? Set.
He likes the slides. There's another one.
Yeah, that one's a little warm. Let's go to the little one. Let's try the little one. Ready? Set.
You can go at the top, yeah.
1, 2.
Let go. You can do it.
Now he's gonna escape. He's out.
Where are you out to? Goodbye, neighborhood amenities. We are saying so long. So long. This was nice. Bye bye. Say bye bye. It's done, guys. We are signed, locked, and loaded. We are done on the selling of our house. Finished signing a bunch of paperwork. It actually wasn't as bad. I feel like when you're purchasing, you go through like way more signage, but this one wasn't that bad.
Which is a little worrying because it's like you're
signing away like
you're signing away the rights to it, and you feel like, wait, are we wham bamming it? But it's also
you know what?
emotion that's mixed.
But
in
you're like running away from it. It's the person that's signing away their life and their finances to buy it. They're the ones that need more paperwork. So I definitely understand. But we're done.
Yeah. You did well.
I didn't cry. I was like, I'm gonna start bawling.
This looks really crazy now.
Yeah, that's your lightning streak. Your dad's gonna get shaved up. But yeah, so we are going to head home, or what is our temporary home for now. I guess it's not like ours anymore. By law, it hasn't been processed and all that stuff, but you know, we signed our part of the closing. Yeah.
Now back to tackling moving.
Now back to
stuff,
moving with
which is always
a
difficult.
1-year-old. Like,
Yeah.
can we talk about that? Like,
Like-
moving with a 1-year-old, that ain't easy. But we'll keep you
It's
updated
just
on that one.
The fact that it's just me and you doing it.
Yeah.
like,
If you had more hands, but it's really like one person is moving when we're doing it that way.
Yeah, tomorrow we're supposed to get some help.
We'll see.
I'm crossing fingers because I really don't know how else it's gonna work. But it's just really difficult because it's not even like 2 people. It's like one person kind of has to watch with Kellan.
Yeah.
Kellan's getting literally into everything.
Yeah, and he wants
but
to. He doesn't really understand what's going on.
what's
That's the
going
thing.
on,
Like
and
they're
there's-
like
I think he just kinda
excited
feels
because
the
he's like, oh,
excitement
something is
and-
going on. He knows that like
and-
something is
yeah.
happening. He just doesn't know what it is. So he wants to like look in every box and he wants to like tape things with you and move things, and like he's just trying to be a help, but it is difficult. So we'll keep you updated on talking about that as well. So how many updates we need? The boxes and all the removals and stuff like that. But it's
and
like you
also
feel the
looking
thing
at the pod and feeling like, oh,
where
all of
oh
this
my
gonna
god, where does
fit.
everything go?
We got
We
the
feel like
biggest
we
pod and
clear
it
a
just-
lot of things, and then for me it's like I feel like, oh shoot, we never did like the attic yet. We didn't do the other attic because we have 2 attics and we got stuff in both of them. But
The good
the
thing with
garage
those
looks
things
good.
Are like they're not like, some of them are not boxable.
oh, are we gonna
so
stop
they're
and
kinda
eat? Can we go?
fit
Can we
into
go to
stuff.
the Filipino restaurant?
Which one?
The what's that one?
The one we just went to?
We have the Filipino place, baby. The fried chicken place. We're gonna try a new place.
What, Jollibee's?
Jollibee's. Let's see how crazy it is. If it's crazy, $5.49, we're gonna leave. But yeah. So it's like you clear one room and there's always another one.
Oh, that was Vietnamese. Sorry.
Yeah,
My bad.
but that's it. I'll keep coming back and updating you. But they're gonna make this a regular thing. And we're gonna discuss our experience another time when it's done, because I think there's gonna be a bit of reflection in the end of it. You know. See you soon.
3 days later.
Okay, this is the moving update. So today was closing. Our official close was at 12 o'clock today, but we actually signed our paperwork Friday, like around 5-6 o'clock. But the buyers, excuse Kellan in the background, the buyers closing and like their paperwork was 4 o'clock today. But because it was 4 o'clock, the wire transfer wouldn't clear until the next business day, and we were told we cannot exchange keys until after wire transfer has been complete. So we're in our home for another night. We postponed our Disney vacation till Wednesday. I don't know how he seems to do this every time. He gets out of, no matter how tight I make it, he finds a way to like take his car seat off. Yeah, see the paint that spilled while we were moving. Gosh. But yeah, so because the funds never cleared, we can't exchange the keys yet. So we're sleeping in our house, officially technically I guess his house, for one more night, and then tomorrow, once the funds are cleared, we will exchange keys and we'll be on our way. We'll have to mail keys and like FedEx overnight keys and all that stuff. So we're gonna stay at our place and make sure it's like spick and span, so he gets his home like, you know, nice and clean and that stuff. And then we will stay at my father's house Tuesday night, and then Wednesday hopefully by like 10 or 11 we'll hit the road. So to mommies out there, when you are doing like long distance drives, what do you do with your kid? Do you put them to sleep, then put them in the car seat, and then let the drive kind of put them back to sleep? Or do you, right before their nap, you hit the road and then they eventually fall asleep in their car seat? Because he likes to be like loved up and like, oh, soothed before he goes to sleep. So that's my concern, is that he's gonna be like, oh, well, mommy's not gonna put me to sleep, I'm gonna have to like put myself to sleep and like freak out in the car seat, which he's doing like right now. So yeah, that is the big question. That he'll be calm enough to go to sleep. But yeah, so that's the update for now. No keys have been exchanged yet, but the closing has been done, paperwork has been done, and we're just kind of waiting. But it's strange. It's strange to like, it's like really like it's happening. So it's kind of hard for like us to like let go. Dad was like, oh, let's sleep at my aunt's house or your dad's house tonight. But I was like, I wanted like one more night in like my first purchased home, you know. So one more night that we get to stay together as a family in our home before we go rent in a new home for the time being. So yeah, I hate moving, like no joke. I hate packing, I hate moving. I think unpacking is like rough, but like moving, like packing up things and putting everything in the pod was horrendous. And then today and yesterday it rained all day, so that's why we never technically finished everything. And I'm sure more could have fit in the pod, but it was just too much. So yeah, we'll be sleeping downstairs on the rug until we are officially like out. So yeah, thanks for staying staying with us through this process. But Dan's in Chipotle right now picking up some food. Yeah, I haven't had Chipotle in a long time, so I'm hoping this is gonna be good like it used to be, like many years ago. Chipotle used to be good. Yeah, let me tell you. So when I was at UF and Chipotle just came to UF, they were giving away free burritos, and the line was like ridiculous. Like nowadays, I don't know if they still do this when they open, but the line was like crazy, and they didn't stop you from coming back. So there were like homeless people like screaming out, they're giving away burritos. And I was like passing because I had a class I had my minors in business, and I had like a class there, and I was like, what, free burritos? So I told all my friends. So I got a burrito like right after class when the line wasn't that bad. But that evening, that line was ridiculous. Like everybody was in line. I went back to try to get like a second one because I was greedy. And these burritos were huge back in the day. They're still like big, but like huge. And like I said, homeless people were in line, and like they were like telling people. It was just like such a nice, like I remember it being like a nice experience, being like, yo, did you get your burrito today? And people would be like, yeah, I'm gonna go back, I got one earlier. But we know a couple people that like had multiple trips to Chipotle, and they didn't stop you. So it was like all a really good time. So that's how I learned about Chipotle, because I got a free burrito. And because it was free, maybe that's why it was so good. But the quality has changed over the years. But maybe it was just because it was like, like up there. Maybe the burrito, that franchise was good. But like I said, the quality has changed over the years in general. So hopefully it would be not as bad as, I've heard that it's happened over the years. So Chipotle for dinner.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Don't cry. Bye-bye, Mr. Man. Now I'm gonna get our stuff. Hello, Mr. Man. I'm gonna drive our stuff. Gonna take you to Central Florida, where we're gonna have fun. Yeah, it's all our stuff. See you later. So does this thing move by itself? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thousands of tears later.
Okay. Last walkthrough. Last time upstairs. Bye-bye. We said bye-bye when everything was like still furnished, but now this is the real bye-bye. Alright guys, left some cable boxes. Last time I'll be closing these lines. Deep breath. Remember when I put this up after giving birth to Kellan, leaving him in the NICU, and I came home, put these up. Alright. This is where the magic happens. Or the magic happens.
I don't know if we ever seen the blackout.
Magic continues to happen. Yeah, I need this in the next house installed. So the lights are on. I don't know why I have the lights off, but another cable box. This was the closet. I didn't get to do like a real spick and span like I wanted to, but we were running late. Alright. Looking all crazy, but this is the gear when you're moving and doing all that stuff. Jeez.
Something right there.
Alright, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's say our goodbyes. Turn off the lights. Oh. Nest.
Why are we doing the nest again?
I would do the nest. I would consider
What was
another
the other
one.
one?
There's like Honeywell and stuff like that. Kellan loves this light. Loves this light. This is one of the saddest things I gotta leave here. Ugh. Last time going down these steps. It's been 10 years of great memories and such. I love this light too. Yeah. All right.
How are we gonna spin around? I don't get what's going on right now. Poor Kellan. He's gonna break my CD. That is older than him.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.